Hi friends, today we are going to experimentally study. Let's go. This is our MOSFET trainer kit made by Frontline Electronics. I am opening it here. Initially switch on the power supply. Here our device MOSFET, which consists of gate, source and drain terminal, and our circuit diagram is designed here, and control parameters are designed here in this trainer kit, which contain display unit and control units. Initially, in this MOSFET, we can take transfer characteristics and output characteristics. Initially, I take output characteristics by varying VG. Initially, fix this VGS value to 5 volt. Set VGS to approximately 3.5. Then vary the VDS. And take the output characteristic reading, whereas we can see that for various gate voltage I kept 3.30. Initially my barrier not getting open, so my drain current is not conducting. After certain value my drain current will start conduct. Then we move to plot output characteristics plotting. We can set VGS here. Here we have plotted for different VGS. We can see for a 3.58 volt of VGS we have conduction. Then for a 3.87 we can see large value. Then for in between value we have plotted for different curves of output characteristics of MOSFET. Okay friends, finally I thank you all for watching this video. If any queries, please drop it down in comment box and don't forget to subscribe us.